Hey everyone, my name is Cindy. I'm here all the way from Seattle, Washington at View Plastic Surgery in Gangnam, Seoul. And I'm here along with Seoul Guide Medical. They're going to be filming my journey while I get a double eyelid incisional surgery along with a Acculift. I'm just hoping that it's going to fix my vision because I've been noticing over time that my vision's getting blurred because my muscle in my eye is like getting too heavy, I guess. Also, with a double eyelid incisional surgery, it'll be nice to kind of have a bigger eye. Right now I feel good. It's been a long time coming, so I'm really excited.
Small opening will not be enough to reduce all of the volumes here, so I recommend very small, tiny little incision at the some mental area. Via that incision, I'm going to approach all the chin area and remove all the fatty tissues.
So we just finished all the consultations and she's about to take me up to the surgery room. I feel really confident. I'm excited, I feel calm, and I'm ready. The doctors, they were very confident in what they're doing. They're Seoul Guide Medical, they've been really helpful. They've been great. They've been here translating and explaining some of the paperwork for me, and everything has turned into something where I feel really calm and confident. So I'm kind of glad to have everyone here.
So this is where we're gonna just leave you for the time being, and then see you afterwards, okay?
Relax,
Thank you.
enjoy the
I feel good.
care
I'm excited. All right, bye-bye. See you guys on the outside.
Hi, my name's Tony from Seoul Guide Medical. Cindy has just started her surgical procedure and we're not allowed to film in the surgery room according to new Korean laws. So we can't have that on, but I can explain what's going to happen. The first thing is she's going to get ptosis correction. Ptosis correction is when too much of the upper eyelid covers the eye. That has a couple problems. One is you can't really see too well because your vision is impaired because the upper eyelid skin is drooping. Number two, in order to raise your eye, you're going to have to use your forehead muscles, which will create more forehead lines, and as you age, that doesn't look so great. So the doctor's going to make an incision. He's going to remove excess skin, fix the ptosis, and it'll make the eye bigger. At the same time, we're going to create a double eyelid line, which will also show the eye bigger and just leave it looking nice and even. Number two, she's going to have Acculift. Acculift is a liposuction-like procedure. Liposuction in the chin has one incision point. It sucks out fat through that incision point, but with Acculift it's a little bit different because it uses a machine which heats up the fat and makes it a bit easier to extract. That is usually done with a single incision point just under the chin. Afterwards she's going to have some taping, and the recovery for that, it takes quite a bit of time. For the first week or so it's quite swollen. After that, it can take several months for the fat to fully become that kind of soft fat that we have here. In some cases it can become a little hard in one area or the other, but that tends to dissipate over time. With all surgical procedures, the initial recovery is fairly fast these days actually. Within 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, depending on the procedure, you look much better, but full recovery can take 6 months, 12 months, and in some cases even a year. You don't really see that extended recovery process happen, but the area just gets a little bit tighter and a little bit better as time goes on. Let's fast forward now to Cindy's recovery.
All right, today is my last day in Korea. I did my final checkup. I got my stitches taken out of my eyes, also the stitches taken out behind my ears. I do still have stitches under my chin that will need to be taken out in a week, but otherwise everything is healing up really well. The doctors are really happy with it. And then I also decided to get my nose injected, and the same doctor who did my neck did my nose, and I can't believe how much of a difference it made in just like a few injections. But we're just doing our final little photos and an x-ray, and then I'm done. And I also want to give a huge thank you to Seoul Guide Medical. They were here for me the whole time, from booking my appointments, booking my airport rides, Anastasia, she's been here the whole time, literally from when I got here to even to right now. Even when I woke up from recovery, everyone's been here. Tony was here, so with Joseph. Everyone's been so great. So for anyone who's looking to get anything done, I highly, highly recommend them, because I came here by myself and a lot of my family was afraid of that, but I feel really taken care of. I feel like Seoul Guide Medical is like a family, and even though I didn't have anyone here, they were here for me like they were my family. So I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to them, and it's been an overall like amazing experience. And so I want you guys to stay tuned. I do have updates coming up in a month and probably in 3 months. If you guys want to see my full journey of my recovery, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Seoul is the capital of plastic surgery, skin, dental, vision correction, and other medical treatments. Seoul Guide Medical is here to find you the best doctors, the best procedures, and take care of you from start to finish. Contact us at consult@seoulguidemedical.com for a free consultation with our specialists. Let us take care of everything and create a customized treatment plan that is right for you. We help you with airport pickup, accommodations, in-clinic translations, aftercare, and hold your hand every step of the way. Visit our website at soulguidemedical.com for more information. Seoul Guide Medical. Happy patients, always.